More than 100 people have tested positive for a coronavirus, and a nationwide manhunt is on for suspected cases after a large religious gatherings at Delhi's Nizamuddin that has emerged as a virus hotspot with links to 10 COVID-19 deaths. The development has created a wave of panic, compelling the government from the northeast to issue an urgent request to the people who have attended the religious programs to report immediately to health officials. Around 400 people from the northeast have been linked to the religious congregation held in Delhi's Nizamuddin. The Tablighi Jamaat was attended by around 2,000 people from various parts of the country and abroad. Assam's Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Tuesday appealed to the people from the state who had attended the religious program of the Tablighi Jamaat at Hazrat Nizamuddin in Delhi to report immediately to health officials or by calling a helpline number.
There are several persons from Assam also present in the Nizamuddin Dargah during the religious congregation arranged by Tablighi Jamaat. Subsequently, we got a list from central government as well as from different state government. First list has come consisting 299 persons. Second list has come consisting of 157 persons.
While his deputy Piyush Hazarika said 216 people from Assam has attended the religious congregation. And with a 52-year-old man from Assam's Karimganj district testing positive for COVID-19, more people may be tested positive as he came in contact with several people in the last few days. This is the first positive case of COVID-19 in Assam. According to reports, the man who had 10 children went to Delhi on March 5. According to the travel history provided by one of his sons, the infected person is a businessman by profession and had gone to Jama Masjid and came in contact with many people near Nizamuddin. He was admitted to Silchar Medical College and Hospital on March 29, where he tested positive for COVID-19. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma also confirmed the report and said that the patient is now undergoing treatment at Silchar Medical College Hospital. His condition is stable, Sarma said. While altogether 16 residents of the different areas of Assam Darang district who had attended the religious congregation of Tablighi Jamaat Nizamuddin in Delhi were brought to Mangal-Dai Civil Hospital. State Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal during his visit to Mangal-Dai on Tuesday had appealed to the people of Darang district to maintain social distancing and the advisories of the health department at any cost. In Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also appealed to the people of the state who had attended the congregation to come forward for a COVID-19 test. The appeal is not aimed at spreading panic but a call for acting responsibly, he said. In Manipur, it has been found that 14 people have been linked to the religious congregations held in Delhi. Bureau Report.